Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a screen off memo with your S Pen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So when your phone screen is off, you can just pull out your S Pen and instantly jot down notes without unlocking your phone. This basically automatically saves to Samsung Notes and it will always stay on. So it basically keeps it as a reminder. So whenever you start your phone up, you'll see that whatever you've written, it basically stays on screen. If you basically wake it up, it basically goes away. However, when you lock it again, that note, what you have jotted down before, returns back and shows and gives you a reminder. So say, for example, if you're doing a shopping and you want to write down a shopping list, you can go ahead and create one using the screen off memo. So let me show you how to do this. So here I'll go ahead and lock my phone. I'll go ahead and bring down my S Pen. Now here I can go ahead and start typing. So I'll go ahead and put down eggs, milk, goat, bread, and tea. Now here I can go ahead and tap on this pin icon here. So this will basically pin it. So I'll press save. And now this will pin it. Now I can go ahead and just put my S Pen back in. And now whenever I take out my phone, you'll see that list appear right here on my Samsung S25 Ultra. So when I take out my phone and I give one tap on the screen, this will give me a reminder. Oh, I have to do shopping here. So I need to get some eggs, milk, goat, bread, and tea. So this is fast, it's frictionless, note taking, it saves time during meetings or calls, and it keeps ideas and reminder on the go on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to create a screen off memo with your S Pen on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.